Okay, now we have our blanched asparagus tips, and we're going to put those aside in a bowl. And I need to empty this bowl right now. I really reuse my bowls a lot. If they're clean, I'll reuse them. So here go the blanched asparagus tips. And the other fava beans that I threw in there, I'll do those later, watching TV or listening to some beautiful music. So these are the tips that are going in the salad. Okay, and I've got them all out of there. You can do this over the sink as well, but it's important to have ice water. Okay. Then our next step would be to slice the stalks. And they're supposed to be sliced 1/8 of an inch thick. And, oh, here's a little. When you buy asparagus, sometimes some of it's a little bit wrinkled. You want it perfect. You would take off the hard end and throw that away and save the stalk. And then I just line them up like this to make quick work because, as you can see, just doing one at a time isn't such a great thing. But you could line them all up and get ready to cut. And now I need to go get my chef knife. Okay, so I'm going to quickly cut these in 1/8 inch rounds. And they're going to get tossed right into the salad. And you can see I'm using that same rocking motion that I showed you before, except this time I'm holding on to the asparagus, not the front of the knife. And I'm just cutting them very, very thin. When you get to the end, your fingers are more important than the asparagus. So if you can't get to the last little ends without cutting yourself, please don't. But this is what they should look like when they're finished. And I'm just going to take these few small ends and do them not individually, but just so that I won't injure myself in the process. Okay, that's ready to go.